Today we're staying at the Hilton Downtown Miami with Bayview Room on the 21st floor as we prepare for embarkation on Carnival Magic. Let's take a look at the closet space. Very spacious, lots of hangers, standard iron and board. Comes with a safe. Let's close this up and move on to the bathroom. This is a standard bathroom with a shower tub combo. The chrome fixtures and granite tiling was a good touch. Brings out that spa look. You got dual nightstands, a king size bed, a great view of downtown Miami. TV's pretty big. Inside of here, we have a coffee maker and refrigerator. Look at that view. Remember, we're on the 21st floor, which is the top floor. Hilton Downtown Miami with bay view. This hotel also has restaurants and a bar. There isn't any continental breakfast, so you have to order your breakfast at one of the restaurants. All right, so I'm gonna show you the pool. I'm gonna show you Bayside Marketplace. I'm gonna show you the Carnival Port. And if you made it this far, please like and subscribe and comment back again.
We gonna